Not exactly what I want to do today anyways. We're going to be fixing a water leak in winter, the middle of winter, up on the hill. Let me show you where it's at. That bank. I'm hoping it's down here where I can reach it with the traco, but I ain't 100% for sure. So we're going to start digging there, and then we're going to go up the bank every 10 to 20 foot, dig holes, and see if we can find a leak. Let's get it started, y'all. Okay, now we're going to see if this thing will climb in the snow or not. Probably not the best idea. All right, after we finally made it up here with the traco, the only spot we could find that was actually kind of thawed out was this, but there was a natural spring right here. Then we cleared this area right here. The bad thing is, hopefully it ain't way up there and run down the hill. I can't get traco up here, so pretty well right there is as far as I can reach. So we're gonna dig this up and all the way up the bank, 10 to 20 foot, if we find a leak running down the hill. If not, I'm lost. Got 2 days to do this, and then it's going to start freezing again. All right, here is what we got. Got a little spot on the ground right there. It ain't got no snow on it. Kind of shoveled a little bit off. We got water running right here. We do have a natural spring right there, which is made me a little hesitant about digging right here. But now we got a 3-foot ditch. 3 foot. Somebody got a little carried away. I kind of think it was me, but it was, wasn't it? We got that there. No leak. Checked it all. Line's good through that section. And we got a big pile of dirt right here. We got to bury this thing back, y'all, because we have no leak, and I got to go try to find it somewhere, and I don't know where. I'm going to bury this thing. Well, there it is, all covered up. waiting for spring so I can actually get in here with the track hoe and not cover it with mud again to actually finish fixing this up. I know it don't look that good, but that is going to be it. And I'm going to search on down here for the water leak because I have no idea where it is. All right, y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see you all on the next one.